good afternoon, and welcome to the RAW podcast. This is the third time we are
Yes.
recording this equipment glitches ke liye.
Okay.
I am
Yeah.
Adi, and this is Rushil.
Hi, guys.
And this is the WrestleMania Night 1 predictions. Now, we are going to go straight to it. This is a two-parter video, and this is a proper fan perspective from a third world country. जहाँ पर ज्यादा हमारा इन्वॉल्वमेंट नहीं है बट नाउ इट इज एक्सपेंडेड टू सच अ लेवल्स कि हम लोग को
Yeah.
प्रॉपर इन्वॉल्वमेंट डालना है.
Okay.
So what is the first match
So the
that we are
first
predicting today?
match is LA Knight defending his United States Championship against Jacob Fatu.
Okay. So I'm very happy that this match exists.
Yeah.
LA Knight is going to walk in as a champion. I feel that he has done a lot more for this company that we were not really expecting, that we wanted that to happen years ago, actually.
Correct.
But I'm happy that he got this chance. And yeah, the match is going to have an interference. Definitely.
Obviously, yes. Braun Strowman, why is he not on the card?
Exactly. I actually do not understand that why is this not a multi-man match, because a lot of people have played very good parts in the United States Championship feud, and Shinsuke not being there makes sense. But Solo and Braun not being there also is like they're
Okay,
gonna
so
be there.
Braun is gonna intervene. Solo is gonna
Definitely.
intervene. I think
Exactly.
Solo is gonna turn on Jacob Fatu. जिसकी वजह से
Yeah.
just this might be the only factor why LA Knight is winning the championship.
Yeah, I feel so. But my prediction is going to be
Jacob
Jacob
Fatu.
Fatu.
It's an easy prediction.
Yep.
Okay, so the next match is a tag team match uh, between War Raiders and the New Day for the World Tag Team Championship.
Now, I love the War Raiders. I love the New Day.
Yeah.
They are exceptional talent.
Yeah.
But the fact that the SmackDown Tag Team Championship is not being defended here is an actual crime. It's an actual crime. कि उनको
They should have been defended together
exactly. And the thing
in a
is,
ladder match.
both deserve to be on the WrestleMania card. But the fact that there is not a multi-man ladder match for the SmackDown Championships, because उनका सारा team का storyline चल रहा था एक साथ. Like all the teams were working together in the
Correct.
sense कि everybody had a problem with everybody. It wasn't कि दो लोग के बीच में ऐसा हो रहा है and everybody wants the one thing. Everybody has personal feuds, and New Day का heel turn definitely worked.
Yeah.
But it's like it was not as good as the SmackDown storyline. So
Okay, so I'll straight away get to the prediction. War Raiders are retaining the championship only if Biggie is returning and gonna kick both Xavier's and Kingston's asses.
I feel that is not happening. I feel Biggie's done with
मुझे
wrestling.
no.
And
He's
New
done. He's actually done with wrestling. We can have a thought about that after WrestleMania. But why not give an appearance and just punch or kick in the balls of both of them?
I
That's the only way this match is gonna keep us excited.
I actually feel New Day wins here.
No.
I feel New Day walk out as a champion. They get the
No.
massive heel. Okay, the entire storyline is कि मतलब उनको सब लोग hate कर रहे हैं.
Hmm.
So just imagine booing from the 60,000 लोग.
But the stage is set for WrestleMania, and
Yeah.
Biggie can obviously return.
The
We
pop is
can't,
gonna
we
be all
can't.
about
Yeah, actually, we
pop
can't
will be
ignore the fact that Biggie might return. वो अपना
Yeah.
माइक एक बार नीचे रख देगा, आ जाएगा पीछे से.
I feel that is true.
वो
Pop and the
आके
Miz.
I'm not even expecting him entering with a gear, proper
Right.
gear, but वो सूट में भी आके मारेगा तो चलेगा.
I feel that them getting a WrestleMania match is a sign that Biggie's coming back.
Yes, मेरे को
Yeah.
ऐसा लग रहा है.
But yeah, I still stick with the New Day.
Okay, I'll be with the War Raiders,
Hmm.
and the next match, it's better women's singles match on the card.
Mm.
Jade Cargill versus Naomi.
Man, I did not expect this story to be this good. And the fact that, okay, this is a very historic moment for the women's.
And the fact that there is not a single championship involved.
Yeah, the historic fact is the key. This is the first WrestleMania match in बोलते ना women's history जहाँ पर कोई championship use नहीं हुआ है. And that is a pretty long time for this shit to happen. So I'm happy that this is happening here. And they are the perfect people to start with. Both Jade Cargill and Naomi have been workhorses in SmackDown. They're carrying this much better than the Charlotte Tiffany feud. This is a much better storyline than they built, and I'm very happy.
Okay,
that
so
they have this
here's the
match.
thing. We all know that Bianca is gonna wrestle on night 2, but what if she intervenes in this match?
If she
just to
intervenes,
make Jade Cargill win.
I feel then we are also expecting both
If
Bianca and
yeah,
Naomi to be in second
if there
segment.
is not an outside factor, I still think Jade Cargill's winning this.
I also feel Jade Cargill winning
Because
this one.
Naomi has still got time to redefine herself
Yeah,
after she can obviously survive a loss at WrestleMania. मेरे को ऐसा लग रहा
yeah.
है.
Naomi can lose at WrestleMania and still be one of the greatest of all time.
This can we are actually we can actually welcome another match between them.
Yeah, I feel there
We
will be
can
more matches here.
yeah okay so I think Jade Cargill is winning this.
Yeah, I also feel Jade Cargill, the face, wins this one
Yeah, okay.
since it is an important match.
Okay, so the next match is between Rey Mysterio and El Grande Americano.
You mean Chad Gable?
Yeah.
Yeah,
He's gonna get unmasked भाई मेरे को ऐसा लग
yeah.
रहा है रे ये पूरा मैच इसलिए सेटअप किया गया है ताकि जो चैट गेबल है उसका अनमास्क किया जाए.
Okay, am I the only one who absolutely hates this storyline?
No,
I
I liked it.
yeah, because I do not. Okay, here's the thing. I am the kind of guy who wants underdogs to win.
Hmm.
Chad Gable did such a wonderful work in the previous WrestleMania season, and the fact that he did not win the WrestleMania, he did not get the WrestleMania match, bothered me a lot.
Hmm.
After turning heel, they did not do anything with him. He did not have a match with Chad Gable. He's been done wrong so many times, and now they give him this gimmick where he's pretending to be a luchador. He's amazing. Of course, Chad Gable will kill it in any role that he gives. You know, he's the KK Menon of wrestling anyway. You give him any
What is
role,
this example, bhai?
you give him any role, he kills it. He is genuinely that good.
Yeah.
But also the thing is, why are you giving him such low tier roles when he can do big tier things?
So the fact is, the Paul Levesque can just give him okay. Paul Levesque से याद आया he's gonna get inducted in the Hall of Fame.
Fame.
Kudos to him. Okay. So the fact that Paul Levesque is not giving him a bigger role because there are people who can actually serve the bigger roles and who can actually do better than him.
Fair. I would say that's fair. The WWE का competition ही
अगर
crap है.
अगर वो बड़े ठीक है we can obviously imagine him in a mid card feud but okay not main event इतने जल्दी mid card title can be better for can be good for him but वहां पर भी किसका whose shoes he gonna fill up.
Actually, to be fair, I do not agree with that statement because I feel Chad Gable is that talented. He's got the charisma, he's got everything. I just feel that there are too many good people. बोलते ना, you're right. कि मतलब there are talent who can do the job.
Yeah.
It's not like he's the only one who can do the job, but
Okay.
he should be able to get that thing. But my prediction is Rey Mysterio.
Rey
wins
Mysterio,
and he
obviously.
unmasks him
Yeah.
this time.
Okay. So the next match is the worst match according to me. It's Tiffany Stratton versus Charlotte Flair for the women's championship.
This shit went southways so fast. So fast. Okay, like we have to say, we said this in the previous video and we'll say it again. What was Charlotte thinking? Who the fuck was looking at Charlotte Flair and was like, हाँ भाई लडविक तो गया ही होगा हम सारे लौंडे तो दुखी हैं. Like not a single soul believed that shit. And okay, you know what? We can get over that fact as well.
Okay, it's Ludwig Kaiser coming between them.
I would pay money. I will actually. मैं पॉल लेवेक का नंबर मांग के चीपे करूंगा कि भाई तू जीनियस है. I swear I will find a way to pay them more money if Ludwig Kaiser shows up here. Man, it's
Okay,
gonna be
okay.
fun. But my prediction is actually, I feel Tiffany wins this.
No, I think Charlotte's gonna win this.
I know, like it's a much more accurate prediction. Charlotte wins, lol. But I do not want, and I think Tiffany. I think because of this thing specifically, she's not going to win.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Okay, the main thing, the major thing which is missing is a storyline, is a build.
Yeah, there is no build.
There is
There is
no
no build. Now there is some build. I will agree. कि
Okay,
कुछ तो लग
20%,
सकता है.
20%.
They're
But
getting there.
but wait a minute, there's still a go home show before
SmackDown.
WrestleMania.
Yeah, there is.
Agar WWE, if they think to pull the trigger, they can actually do that.
Yeah, they can actually do something like that. But
Matlab, okay, I'll still not write off this match,
Hmm.
but Oh, okay, this match is still
I
the
think
most underrated match.
I think the only thing that will make this match a lot more interesting is in the a day before it gets turned into a submission match.
Ah, okay, yes.
Because Tiffany has a moonsault finisher
Yeah,
and Charlotte Flair has a
just add a
submission match.
stipulation to it, bro.
Yeah, like I think if it's a submission match, Charlotte Flair winning makes sense.
Yeah.
Because उसका figure 4 log है and it
या
will.
फिर last woman standing.
Yeah, last woman standing. Like it needs a stipulation at this point.
Okay, so the next match. Oh man, Gunther versus Jey Uso for the World Heavyweight Championship. Okay, let's
Great.
start with the prediction. Jey Uso is winning
Jey
this.
Uso's winning. Nobody's
It's a clear winner.
clear winner.
Do you think Jimmy Uso is returning?
No, I don't see
उसने
any.
stretcher पे भेज दिया भाई Gunther.
Yeah, I don't see any bloodline member showing up. I feel this is a Jey Uso thing.
Yeah.
I think we're gonna have that moment जहाँ पर camera में जाएगा. You're gonna see Sammy.
Man,
you're gonna
for
see
the
Roman.
first time ever after such a long time,
Yeah.
I have seen a sense of fear in Gunther's face.
Yeah, like I guess this go home show for
Did
Raw
you see
is-
the promo?
Yeah,
Man,
That
that
made
was
me-
so good.
Gunther is such a good asset to this company. And you know what? Every time Gunther talks, he's speaking the truth. He's
या
doing
फिर वो
such a
नंगा
fantastic
करके रोस्ट कर देता है या फिर कुछ बोलता ही नहीं है.
and he is the wrestler for me in Monday Night Raw. He's the guy.
He's
for
the
me.
guy who's carrying.
He's carrying
the
that
whole
shit, bro.
roster.
I love Gunther so much, and it actually breaks my heart that he's gonna lose. But not because I hate Jey Uso.
Gunther
I just
legit.
love Gunther more.
Okay, so Gunther legit said कि भाई मैंने इस कंपनी में 80% मैं चैंपियन ही रहा हूँ.
That's a true statistic.
Yeah.
It's not like Ric Flair's कि हमें 16 जीते. Like, he's 80% of his existence in the WWE is as a champion. It's insane.
He has delivered as Walter in NXT back. क्या बोलते हैं? Blue,
NXT.
black and gold.
No, it's not Black and Gold. NXT 2.0 and NXT
हाँ,
UK.
okay. होली वाला NXT
Right.
जो कलर्स वाला था.
Right.
But man, Gunther जितना भी तारीफ करे कम है उसके लिए.
Yeah, but I do
But
appreciate.
I can't accept the fact that Gunther is losing.
Yeah,
It's like
not
पिछले
happening.
साल का WrestleMania that I wasn't able to accept the fact that Roman was losing.
Yeah. But no, I think is I'm more willing to be happy for Jay than sad for Gunther.
Yeah.
So I am happy that Jay is going to win. And we are talking as if he's going to
दिल
win.
नहीं मान रहा है यार Gunther हार रहा
हाँ, I think that's the
है. दिल
biggest
नहीं मान
ending.
रहा है.
But you know what? Congratulations, Jey Uso.
Yeah, okay.
अभी बोल देते हैं.
Yeah.
इसकी जरूरत ही नहीं है. We know Jey Uso winning.
But if अगर गलती से गंतर जीत गया ना फिर जे उसो को भाई फिर बैठ जा भाई तू रेजिग्नेशन ले कंपनी से.
I feel there is no recovering from that. So Jay has to.
Has
It's
to
not like-
win.
It's not like he should. He has to win.
He has to win. Okay,
Yeah,
so the main event for night one is the most anticipated match. CM Punk with Paul Heyman versus
No, Roman Reigns with Paul Heyman. No.
CM
Right.
Punk. Paul Heyman is at Punk's corner.
Oh, sorry.
Okay, bye. Okay.
I'm registered in my head. I was like, नहीं, Roman Reigns के साथ होना चाहिए.
नहीं.
Yeah.
Okay, 4 साल का आदत है but अभी नहीं.
Wait, actually,
Oh, okay. CM Punk versus Seth Rollins versus Roman Reigns.
yeah, man. Oh, shit.
Hmm.
The go home show for Raw just reminded me. Okay, so let's go what Seth Rollins said. Okay, the winner of this match is going to define the industry forever, and that is true. I think everybody said
Bro,
this.
हम यहाँ पर पंक या रोमन के बीच में ना ऐसा होने वाला है कि सेथ और पॉल चले जाने वाले
That is going to happen. I feel this is like that scene from Golmaal जहाँ पर everybody is fighting for the girl's approval और बाद में Lucky उसको उठा के ले गया. That's going to happen, bro. Like and the thing is कि I was on board with whatever Seth Rollins said. ठीक है. Whoever wins this match is going to
This
basically.
is gonna be a monumental
It's
match.
a monumental. Whoever wins is going to define how the industry looks. Roman Reigns नहीं जीतना चाहिए because he's a part timer and he shows up conveniently.
उसने एक वीडियो पोस्ट किया है रोमन ने
हाँ.
कि मैं उसने जस्टिफाई किया कि मैं पार्ट टाइमर नहीं हूँ मैं फुल टाइमर हूँ. अभी कल किया उसने.
वो देखा 4 साल में देखा कैसा जीता वो ठीक है. Punk also I love Punk but he shouldn't win. I agree with what he did by leaving the company, but unlike most people, Seth Rollins stayed and endured a bad boss as well. Like it takes a good, it takes balls to just leave the company after doing that, but it also takes another level of willpower to stay in that.
Just
So I
a
want
reminder. According to the betting odds, Punk is the most favorite to win it.
Yeah.
After Punk, it's Roman, and then the least favorite is Seth.
I want Seth to win,
Yeah.
but I think Punk takes it.
Okay,
I
so
think Punk
I want Roman to win, पता नहीं क्यों, because since the last couple of weeks of SmackDown's episodes, we are seeing Roman standing tall.
Not this time.
Not this time, but yeah, he still hit Punk with a spear.
Yeah.
Okay, so I want Roman to win, but दिमाग बोल रहा है कि Punk जीत रहा है.
Yeah, I think it makes sense for Punk.
Paul Heyman is gonna play a major role
Yeah.
in defining the winner of the match.
I think this WrestleMania Night 1 does look pretty good.
भाई
It does look very good.
ये लिटरली वो टॉक्सिक ट्रायंगल रिलेशनशिप हो चुका है
This is
बिटवीन मतलब तू लेके जाएगा पॉल को कि मैं लेके जाऊंगा
This
बिटवीन
is-
पंक एंड रोमन.
this is Saas Bahu for men at its peak.
भाई इसने कल देखा जब पॉल हेमन उसको सूद कर रहा था, सॉरी पंक सूद कर रहा था पॉल हेमन को, एंड पीछे से एसयू में रोमन आके देखता है और चला जाता है.
Man, it was just best.
तो मेरी गर्लफ्रेंड थी.
It's the best. It's the best. Roman being a jealous girlfriend is the best. एक मिनट. On defense with Roman here. ठीक है. Here's Seth Rollins इसलिए right भी है. It's like फेवर मांगा ठीक है, बट पॉल ने हाँ भी बोला है.
Okay, so what?
वो by
what
chance
is
नहीं है वहाँ पे.
what is Seth's favor?
Seth doesn't have a favor. He said in the promo as well that I asked for a favor. I chose to not put him in the hospital, and बोलते ना हेमन कैन चूज नॉट टू एक्सेप्ट इट, बट मैं ऐसा आदमी नहीं हूँ कि तेरे से कुछ एक्सपेक्ट कर रहा हूँ. ठीक है, मुझे पता है तो कुछ नहीं करेगा मेरे में. ऐसे तो रोमन ये पंक सॉरी हेमन कुड हैव चोज कि पंक का फेवर नहीं करने के लिए. उसने बाय चांस उसके साथ नहीं गया है, वो चूज कर रहा है. बोलते ना ही चूजिंग पंक ओवर रोमन. ये बढ़िया
The
लगा.
way Roman
Man, he
रोमन
was
ने
shit out.
उसका हाथ से ऐसा हटा
He
दिया.
swatted him like a fly, bro. Like मक्खी की तरह निकाला साले ने. Nah, it was crazy.
Okay, so the quick one. Who's winning it?
Punk.
Punk. Okay.
I hate it.
I hate to say Seth Rollins fanboy, Roman Reigns
Yeah.
fanboy. We hate
It's
the
not
fact.
that we hate CM Punk. We love CM Punk, but I grew up on Seth Rollins. मैं
Yeah.
weekly television में Seth को देखता था.
मैं
I
भी
wanted
मैं
to-
रोमन को देखता था.
हाँ.
But ठीक है.
The
So
good
that's
one.
that's the night one predictions.
Yeah.
So we're gonna come up with night two predictions also.
Stay tuned for the next
Okay.
video and bye
Bye bye.